When people ask us, "Hey Ditto, which term plan is better between Bajaj Life eTouch 2 and Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus?" the honest answer is this. Both are solid plans, but they're built very differently. So instead of saying which one is better, let's break down how each of them actually work side by side, and then we let you decide which structure suits you more. Hello folks, I'm Shashank, you're watching Ditto Insurance. This is a clean comparison between Bajaj Life eTouch 2 and Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus. Let's start with the basics. The metrics are on your screen. Take a pause and look at it. Both are solid options, so no issues here. Moving forward, both plans are online term insurance plans. Entry age for eTouch 2 is between 18 and 65 years and 18 to 60 for STPP. Premiums can be paid monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly in both the cases. Both allow regular pay, limited pay and pay till 60 options. So at a surface level, eligibility and payment flexibility looks quite similar. Where things start to diverge is maturity age. Bajaj eTouch 2 allows coverage all the way up to age 99. Axis Max Life typically goes up to age 85, though certain variants like whole life can stretch further. If someone wants very long coverage, by default, Bajaj clearly goes further up here. Now, let's talk about how these plans are structured. Bajaj eTouch 2 keeps things relatively simple. You have Life Shield as a base plan. Life Shield Plus adds accidental death benefit, and there's a return of premium version if you want your premiums back at maturity, which we do not suggest at Ditto. Axis Max Life, with their STPP plan, takes a very different approach. Instead of a few variants, it gives you multiple options like regular cover, smart cover, whole life cover, income protection, and multiple return of premium variants. This gives flexibility, sure, but it also increases the chance of choosing a variant that looks attractive but isn't actually useful for your situation. Now, moving on to sum assured, eTouch 2 starts at around 50 lakh rupees as minimum sum assured and STPP at around 25 lakh rupees, depending on age and profile, that is. Neither plan has stated upper limit, but underwriting applies in both the cases. Terminal illness benefit is inbuilt in both plans, but the limits differ. Bajaj eTouch 2 pays up to 2 CR on terminal illness diagnosis, and Axis Max Life caps it at 1 CR. In both the cases, this payout is accelerated, meaning it reduces the base sum assured. Both plans also offer instant payout on claim intimation. Bajaj pays 2 lakh rupees within 3 working days, subject to 1 year waiting period. Axis pays up to 2 lakh rupees within 1 working day, again after first policy year. So functionally similar, execution timelines differ slightly. Now let's talk about one of the most talked about features, which is the zero cost exit. Bajaj eTouch 2 allows you to exit the policy between ages 60 and 65, provided the policy term is at least 35 years and age at maturity 70 years or more. If you exit during the window, all premiums paid under base plan are returned. Axis Max Life offers a special exit, but it works differently. You can exit after completing 30 policy years as long as you're not in the last 4 years of the policy term and the policy tenure is minimum 40 years. Again, base premiums paid are returned. Lifestage benefit is another big area of difference here. Bajaj eTouch 2 is far more extensive. It allows sum assured increases on marriage, birth, adoption of first and second child, taking a home loan, and even taking an education loan for children. Each event has defined percentage increases and caps, and this benefit can be exercised till age 45 within 6 months of the life event. If you want a detailed breakdown of Bajaj and Axis Max Life, we've done that separately. I'll link them in the description. Premium protection features are where Bajaj pulls ahead again. Bajaj eTouch 2 has an inbuilt waiver of premium in case of accidental total permanent disability or terminal illness. It also has auto cover continuance, which allows premium deferred for up to 12 months without policy lapse, usable multiple times with a cooling off cap. Axis Max Life, on the other hand, relies more on riders for waiver of premium with specific conditions. Auto cover continuance exists here too as an inbuilt feature. ROP, that is return of premium, is available in both the plans. Bajaj offers it as a single ROP variant. Axis does that as multiple ROP structures, including options like early ROP. This gives Axis more variety, but again, it increases complexity and cost. On the riders front, both plans offer accidental death and critical illness riders. Axis Max Life gives you disability riders. Bajaj offers premium holiday rider additionally. Family specific benefits are another differentiator. Bajaj does offer family protect rider, which can provide income support to parents in case of death or disability. Meanwhile, Max Life has female centric features like Lifeline Plus as an inbuilt feature, which allows women to increase cover on spouse's death. Bajaj eTouch 2 bundles a full health management ecosystem, including mental health support, fitness consultation, women-specific wellness, and preventive health services worth up to around 36,500 rupees. Now, while Axis Max Life's health management services are worth up to 50,000, both being inbuilt to the plans. Finally, before we head to pricing, I'd like to remind you that a call with Ditto can help you get a clarity for free. The link's in the description again. Okay, time for the premiums. It's on your screen now. You can observe that across most age and sum assured combinations, Bajaj eTouch 2 consistently comes out cheaper. Axis Max Life usually sits in the mid-range. It's not overpriced, definitely not, but it is almost always more expensive than Bajaj for similar coverage, especially once you add riders. So, folks, how do you choose between the two? Look, there's no universal winner here. It depends on whether you value simplicity with features inbuilt or modularity with more choices. If you want help deciding which one of these actually fit your age, income, family structure, and future plans, don't worry. You can just book a free call with our advisors at Ditto. There will be no spam, no pushing. Just get the clarity you need. And if you want us to do a premium comparison for your exact profile, drop a comment or check the link in the description. Alright folks, I will see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.